Welcome to the amazing world of birds. Let's explore the life of the golden-head vulture, the natural architect. They build their nest very carefully and skillful. The golden-headed manyar has black feathers with a golden yellow head and throat. Its size around 23-25 centimeters with a strong and sharp beak. They live in forest, gardens, and urban areas feeding on insects, fruit, and seeds. Social behavior and group living. The golden-head vulture can imitate the sounds of humans and other animals. They have high adaptability. They are spread across Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Its status is not threatened, but habitat destruction and hunting are still a threat. Golden-head vulture, an amazing animal with unique beauty and abilities. Let's preserve them.